Need a pack of cards? QuickDraw. Easy as that. Easy out, easy in.
Wow, that's quick. I think that might be like the best deck holder I've ever tried. Ooh, that's nice. Let me know let me know when I can have one of these.
Magicians know speed, style and control is everything. That's why we created QuickDraw, the fastest, slimmest deck holster ever made. Hi, I'm Ari Phillips. I'm a magician, a leather crafter, and I'm the creator of GRUM. After years of fumbling around with my pockets and bulky cases, I finally designed a deck holster that I always wished that I'd have. Traditional cases are clunky, fiddly, and they're just not built for the working performers and professionals. QuickDraw, well, it's ultra slim, it's secure, it's lightning fast, there's no fumbling. It's a single, swift action that's always ready when you are. QuickDraw comes in two options: a handcrafted premium leather version, which is made from vegetable tan leather and hand stitched with care. It's equipped with a secure metal clip and looks the part, whether under your jacket or below your waistcoat, on view at all times. It's made from a single piece of leather, so nothing's going to get stuck. The cards don't get jammed in on the way in or on the way out. So that's the leather. It's all hand stitched. Now for those guys out there who don't want to have leather, they might always wear a jacket, it's never going to be seen. I've also created a plastic version, a plastic injection molded version. It does exactly the same as the QuickDraw, but instead of being a premium leather, it's made from a solid plastic. A lightweight plastic injection molded version. It's perfect for practice, for your gigs, or just an everyday carry. You can choose from a plastic version, or you can upgrade to the premium handcrafted leather holster, the one I have here. Developed, tried, tested and refined over the last few years, just to get it perfect in the simplest, purest form with the slickest single action movement. The cards go in, the cards go out, super fast and super easy. It's probably the fastest deck holster you will find on the market.
What makes yours different to the others?
So a lot of them, in the past, they were always vertical, and I always found that quite awkward because they would sit on your belt, and when you sit down, they would sort of dig into your leg. But the thing that I always wanted to do, what I always found is, it was always a bit slow when you grab your deck. I wanted something so quick that you could do it for a deck switch, or you could just get it out at a moment's notice. And I always found that you had to fiddle around with them. So you'd have to take the deck, and then you'd have to change your finger grips. I wanted something that you could take out with a single motion, single action. And I didn't want it vertical, I wanted it landscape, so it takes up no space on your belt. That's what drove me to create the QuickDraw, something that was super slick, super fast and super easy to use. You can use QuickDraw for more than just a deck of cards as well. So you can use it for a full deck of cards, you can use it for a part deck of cards, you can use it with and without the case. So that means if you're doing a deck switch or anything like that, you can actually literally get the cards out super quick and super easy.
You know what, Omni deck, you got right here, imagine this is an Omni deck, boom, you've got it ready. You dump your cards, you pull that out, and you're already ready to go. I'm telling you right now, every single second as a magician is very, very important, and I'm telling you, look at that.
You just drop the cards away, and you can literally take the Omni deck out at a moment's notice. It takes seconds. It is so super quick, and it takes up no space in your pocket. So you could have one for a deck and one for Omni deck. So slick and easy to use. It's ideal for using with both the deck in its case and out its case. So it can even be used for deck switches too. We've tested and refined QuickDraw with the pros around the world. So don't just take my word for it. Why don't we see what the pros have to say about QuickDraw? Check these guys out.
Watch this, ready? Boom, straight up, just like that. Jeez, God, this is good.
Wow, that's quick.
So I just got my hands on this, let's have a look.
Yeah, that's quick, isn't it? QuickDraw deck holster, straight away in there, straight out. Really fast, very smooth.
Easy to get at, easy to store.
QuickDraw.
QuickDraw.
I really like this because it's just so quick and easy to take out. It goes back exactly in the same position as well.
Ah, mate, you can't beat that. Do you know what it is? You could just go in with a single finger, and just pop it at the bottom, and you've got it. I'll just go here. Wow, that's so easy. Okay, love this. I'm gonna get one.
Thought I would show you a little card trick.
You can switch a deck with this if you're smart about it.
Oh, boom. Bam. That's fantastic.
I like it. I like it because you come up and you just take it like that without even looking in one touch. You don't have to lift up a lid. You don't have to double touch. You don't have to change your grip. And I can put it back in my holster without even looking. So I'm literally here. It's like yeah, it's called QuickDraw.
Right. Mate, like, the fact that I don't have to keep that in my pocket, and it's just in and out, that's great.
Too easy. Too easy. QuickDraw.
QuickDraw, man, this is really magic.
Elevate your performance. Draw faster, play smoother, look sharper. QuickDraw by Ari Phillips and GRUM.
Ready? 1, 2, bam. I love that.